Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be folding a fitted sheet. Now, I don't know about you, but this is something that always makes me mad. Anytime I have to fold a fitted sheet, I start out thinking I know what I'm doing. I'm like, oh, it's gonna be easy, I'll do it this way. And I just end up crumpling it into a ball, throwing it in my linen closet, and being annoyed. And the next time that I need to change my sheets, it's all just a crumpled mess. Plus, it takes up way more room in your linen closet to have it just like a big crumpled heap. So I decided to figure out how to actually fold a fitted sheet, and that is the video that we are going to be doing today. So I'm going to show you guys, just for ease of filming, I'm going to show you guys on my son's sheets because they are twin, so they're going to be a lot easier for me to fold in frame. So I'm going to use a smaller one just because, like I said, it is going to be easier to show you guys. So this is a really super easy method, and I actually can't believe that I didn't search this out sooner. So I just went into Google and I searched how to fold a fitted sheet, probably like you have done to land on this video. And I figured out the best and easiest way to do it. I saw a few different YouTube videos. I tried a couple of them, and this one I think is probably the easiest. So this is the one that I'm going to show you guys today. Okay, so you're going to start by taking your sheet and you're going to take the corners and put the corners inside out. So you have them on your hands like so, like this, hello, and it's inside out. Okay, so now you're going to take it, flip it around to face you. So now your hands are like this, still inside out, but it's open facing you, if that makes sense. And you're going to put one corner on top of the other, like so. So now I have both corners on top of the other like that. So now it's like this. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to take one of these bottom ones, the bottom one that's closest. You're going to take that, fold it up underneath this one. So now you've got three corners folded underneath, and finally you're going to take the last one and fold it. So now you've got all of your folded corners here, all book matched at the top. Now all you have to do is straighten out this part here, and then you're going to want to lay it down on a flat surface. Okay, so I've got it laid flat. Now all I'm going to do is just make this more of a rectangle shape here, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to start folding it in. And it is that simple. Now, in addition to that, I wanted to show you really quickly a really quick, easy way to store your sheets, because I don't know about you, but once again, once I'm in that linen closet, everything is just like flying all over the place when you're trying to pull out sheets and you can't find a match, and it's really annoying. So a trick that I always like to do is you take your sheets. I've got my nicely folded fitted sheet here and my flat sheet. If you have extra pillowcases or whatever, you fold them all, stack them up nicely, and then you can actually just insert them into a pillowcase for safekeeping. This keeps everything all together, and it's a really nice and tidy way to store the sheets that you aren't using. So you just do that. You tuck it in on itself. There you go. You have a little bundle that has all of your sheets and shams, pillowcases, all technically inside. All right, you guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope that I was able to actually teach you a quick and easy method on how to fold fitted sheets and store them properly. And let me know in the comments down below if this video was helpful to you. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out if you are new, because I post 2 to 3 times a week, lots of different cleaning motivation and cleaning hacks as well. So make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out. Turn your notification bell on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.